There's a misconception that comm-based designs need to be cooled by fans in order to operate under extreme temperatures, otherwise physical connections to the carrier board can be damaged or broken down. But the truth is, fans are likely to break down or fail too, and systems that must withstand thermal extremes are often put in dangerous or remote, difficult to access places. System engineers want to avoid the need to replace any components in these situations as much as possible. At Sealevel, we're often working with critical industries that need reliability and flexibility, so we engineer custom and off-the-shelf boards that can take the heat. We design carrier boards using specific strategies for thermal management that make cooling fans unnecessary. Some of these strategies include using low-heat electronic components in the carrier board, using fine surface finishes to reduce or redirect thermal energy, placing physical components in a way that redirects or reduces hot spots, incorporating heat sinks into the internal design, and adding heat-dissipating elements to the enclosure. Plus, we have a rigorous testing process to make sure our designs meet thermal requirements, starting with simulations to reduce costs before moving to prototype testing. The result is a super rugged, modular computer system that can beat all the rest. In fact, when our Relio R1 was in the testing phase, one client found that it was the only unit that could pass any test without failures. Between our experience in design and testing, plus our warranty, we're confident we can make a comm-based product that can go anywhere and withstand anything.